Today we're going to be removing some old yucky window film. We start by steaming it off. We steam every inch of old window film until it's all cleaned out. Pre-cut the pattern, hand cut it precisely to fit your window. 2 front doors usually take about 30 minutes for pre-cut install. Precise trimming to fit every single glass. This window film will have about 92% infrared heat block with a lifetime warranty. Our best window film. Prep, clean the window. Apply it, make sure the pattern goes all the way to the top, nicely tucked, perfectly squeegeed. And now a much better quality product.